Biakamal Kanwar online TV channel nereya an ler banlinga jan gwasame ler mishalat ka kwen gwene ke election an balatre wech ka so Sudan karon kina dangraw wide jan dangraw wide bakel ka paywaro la ronen be ajan leran bana linga ka do badanan chanu ka ja gor jan o de yana nyak mijira mijidit ku subscribe ka ku comment ka ku je share baka ne de kokien chuje pero je no bi notification bell je twain ko bilate ti bikan chamala shukuji ngwada dana pai kala strech an lar ban lingwasa me lar misha Allah tanetin kon tinti election te findien re ler kana me bajalat ka tungnat kenyam ko kore bana urach ka tuk english ka dobrana cha gor ka ja kuma South Sudan kan de dialen kon tinte kwen gwene te pindien lar mugoro de jeling gwa ne dial kon tere we ka South Sudan lera me chalar nene South Sudan bika police ni ti shop ke kine ti jendiech biken ke ngech police ni ti kine ti jendang diech ke 50,000 police officer ti ba train ka kwi election ka men be ke kwi kwin gwene men be karon kine dangro jendangro bakel wa ba ka ngech ka police to shop ken nei ti shop ke kine ti jendang diech mishe chu ngajen o chilera misheling bi ngajen o mi jiram kel kane de kon dongde ten ray police kon ba train brother churi alekaba ko kan police tikin janang die jati ba ka nge ke state ne diare we ka so Sudan ka do badana shalat ke jan kan ba ka nge ka queen gwene ke do badanan ba na ba ka ganga je ko ngai kon no la queen gwene ke ma kwan ka kwala te ka rik to ngwana to ke kuje mo gora police ni to ngwana long ajan cha ko lat gwasmen o police ni ti chop ke kin jendie akan police ten content ba ngi re we ka so Sudan ke kwi election ka ke kwi queen kwar men ba la re we ka so Sudan ngai kona gwan o queen gwene men tere we ka so Sudan en o beja ma dong che do ko gwade ka ta dan na men gwe ka ja ko antama ka jan gwasa me cha gu jano wa ka me gwar kana ka do badana dong de queen gwene de je lat ke je chit ke ta dan dong ngayen no gorna rodien pin ko chi queen gwene chatiak no ngai kona several time la election charge postpone la election me ajan biya election and rode kiemen yam de kon cholmen yam ko me lat ke 2011 lat ke ne do independent ka me wo na ro gre which ka Sudan antama en ko ingwen balat be yiga jen ko ingwen man yam re which ka South Sudan and wo bikan election bikan lat for the first time no en South Sudan election security kene de content ko ingwen pindia la ko inquiry meji kana lat longo wo ba police ne tikin de jandang de ba ka yik trend ke ba ka yingech ba ka nge ko bikan ko ingwen ke ko inquiry karon kin dangro jandangro bakal bikan gwich no gwasame ala committee chief major general Sadiq Ismail chela donena gwada danen top ke sermon mishalat kwi United Nation gwad milat ke electoral assistant team milat ke jelet re wi ke juba chikana no kende indi chop ke kin janang de te kende inen konen bala select ka kwi queen gwene ba ka ngech kan queen gwene kana shop ko tele korum butwo ka tele rol to butwo tin a gentleman buko la challenge ngwaze me kimen be beje mat ka ngini de inde te ke police nitin kon ba ngere wi ka South Sudan a jene ba la kwi funding ke kwi yone tinde chet ka kon bukana cham chit ka ta dan ndong de kan de ga train ka ja ajana mongo de me bej adung do Minister of Finance and Planning are we ka South Sudan ne ko ne yo pin dian te la lo ka to ke no ngot ke let ke na long ka do dan dong de police de tren ke ko police je mo kana kon la let te la we me dor bo ka je gor ka police to ngwa we ka South Sudan a unified force la de no ba gwin na ka ta ko ke de ne but police ne kana kon bu ko jare wuch no ka do dan chalat ke je no gwas me beje kwenye ka do dan chalat ke je ka to English. South Sudan to train 50,000 police for 2026 election security. The South Sudan Election Security Committee has unveiled its plan to train 50,000 police officers to boost security during the 2026 general election. South Sudan is expected to hold its first ever general election in December 2026. Since independence in 2011, the election have already been postponed several times due to a lack of proper preparedness and shortfall in funds. Committee Chief Major General Sadiq Ismail revealed this during the annual ceremony of the office space by the United Nations Integrated Electoral Assistance Team in Juba. Sadiq said all arrangements had been put in place, including the drafting of the total budget. The first thing we did was come up with a plan. We even went as far as drafting the training manual, which is divided into pre-election, during election, and post-election phases. He said the only challenge his committee might face is how to finance the training, for which he appealed to Minister of Finance and Planning for support. Our program is in place, and it is good that the National Election Committee is here. The only challenge is how to finance the program. The Security Committee, it disclosed it was also looking forward to reviewing the budget to align with the current economic situation. His sentiments were echoed by Inspector General of Police, IGP General Abraham Manyuat. Manyuat said the National Police Service would unravel the force from other groups such as SPLMIO to the poll commission so that all forces could be observed into the election force and train it together. The IGP, which is Inspector General of Police, said the training would also ensure that when the police monitored the election, they would act as a unified force, alongside their colleagues from other organized forces. Everybody who is in the field now has been instructed to join the police. We have already submitted a draft budget to the Minister of Finance to ensure they receive a salary like any other police officer. He stressed it. Canadiality, a Canadian kone ala no ba ngech, ka kwi kwingwin, janan go de nywa yekel kata election ka ki kwingwin mandana ngor ken obiben. Kwi kona dong me mbe ba nyok passport ki ba je ladu no ne ngwana long ala expectation den. Kene kwingwin ba je yiglat. Ngai kone la jama la yot ka jok mndong yete lo te ka rol chen tam gwin man tama wete ka kor no ngwan to ngwana long ando ba dan dong bu ro mat ke je kwingwin ke kwing kware balaring mitir long chang dan weto ko kan are den palpin tam kal gwa mo na ga kwingwin be yiktarol ba ngaje no woram kwany rande no mungo de wona ka me nyei na tana ga tare kwar karodien ne ken karodien damo balaring midit ka shan kwingwin